What's the meaning of afrikaner? Afrikaner. 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 The term Afrikaner refers to a white ethnic group in southern Africa, primarily descendants of Dutch, French, and German settlers who arrived in the 17th and 18th centuries. Afrikaners played a significant role in the history of South Africa, including the establishment of apartheid, a system of institutionalized racial segregation that lasted from 1948 to early 1990s. Today, Afrikaners make up around 5% of the South African population and are concentrated mainly in the provinces of Free State, Northern Cape, and Western Cape. They continue to be an important and influential cultural and political group in the country.